Welcome back. New sales reps often stumble because they don't know what they don't know. You've got the energy, you've got the drive, but without a roadmap, you're just spinning your wheels. The biggest mistake is thinking you can figure it out as you go. You need to channel that energy into a proven strategy. Success isn't about trial and error. It's about learning the lessons others have already paid for. So, instead of reinventing the wheel, we're going to study 20 common pitfalls that kill deals. We're going to talk about listening, questioning, and follow-up. Avoid these mistakes like landmines. Success is about learning fast, applying faster, and building on the wisdom of those who've been in the trenches before you. Now let's dive deep into mistake number 1. Talking too much. This is the classic rookie move. You're excited, you know the car is great, so you just keep pitching. But here's the truth. Stop pitching and start listening. Customers don't care about your product until they know you care about their problem. If you're the one talking, you aren't learning. Remember, silence is your best friend on the sales floor. Mistake number 2, failing to ask questions. If you're not asking, you're guessing, and in this business, guessing loses deals. You should be a detective, not a talking brochure. Ask about their needs, their budget, and their timeline. Why are they buying now? What's the pain point? If you don't find the why, you'll never get to the yes. Mistake number 3, skipping product knowledge. Not knowing your inventory makes you look like an amateur. Today's customers are smart. They've done their research online before they even showed up. So, learn every feature, benefit, and spec. You need to know more than the brochure, because when you're the expert, you build instant authority and trust. Don't let a customer out-knowledge you. Mistake number 4, ignoring emotional triggers. People buy on emotion and justify with logic. If you're just quoting horsepower and cargo space, you're missing the point. Tap into what excites them. Is it the thrill of the drive? The peace of mind for their kids? Find that emotional hook and lead with it throughout the entire presentation. Mistake number 5, not qualifying leads. Wasting time on unqualified buyers kills your momentum. You only have so many hours in the day. Don't spend them with tire kickers who can't buy. Find out early if they're serious. Ask the hard questions about credit and intent right away. It's better to have a short no than a long maybe that never turns into a deal. Mistake number 6, overlooking trade-ins. Don't dismiss their current car. To the customer, that vehicle is their down payment and their pride. If you treat it poorly, you're treating them poorly. Handle the trade-in with care and transparency. Walk around it with them. Acknowledge its value. When they feel you're being fair with their old car, they'll trust you with the new one. Mistake number 7, being too pushy. High-pressure tactics backfire in the long run. They might get you one deal, but they'll cost you 10 referrals. Modern buyers smell desperate from a mile away. So remember, build trust first, then close. Be a consultant, not a shark. When the customer feels like you're on their side, the close happens naturally without any friction. Mistake number 8, not following up. Most sales happen after the 5th or 6th contact, yet most reps stop after 1. If you aren't following up, you're literally handing money to your competitors. Set a schedule and stick to it. Use your CRM. Your income is directly tied to your persistence. Be the person who is there when they are finally ready to pull the trigger. Now, mistake number 9, focusing only on price. Selling on price alone devalues the car and it devalues you. If you're the cheapest, you're just a commodity. You want to be a value provider. Sell the experience, the service, and the transformation. Show them why your dealership and your expertise are worth more than a discount. People will pay for value when they see it. Mistake number 10, and this is a big one, failing to build relationships. People buy from people they like and trust. If you're just a robot following a script, you're never going to build a loyal client base. Be personable. Talk about their family, their hobbies, their life. Car sales is a people business that just happens to involve cars. Build the friend and the customer will follow. Mistake number 11, ignoring body language. If they're crossing their arms, looking at the door, or checking their watch, you're losing them. You have to read the room before you can lead it. Adjust your approach in real time. If they're backing away, give them space. If they're leaning in, increase the energy. Your ability to mirror and respond to their physical cues is a superpower. Mistake number 12. Not handling objections properly. Don't argue. An objection is just a request for more information. When a customer says, "It's too much," they're really saying, "I don't see the value yet." Address every concern with confidence and a solution. Empathize first, then educate. "I understand how you feel. Here is why this makes sense." That's how you turn a no into a yes. Mistake number 13. Being unprepared. Walking into a deal without knowing your numbers or where the keys are is a rookie move. It tells the customer you don't value their time or their business. Preparation is the foundation of confidence. Know your inventory, know your current incentives, and know your desk's process. Be the professional who has the answer before the question is even asked. And the big one, mistake number 14, underestimating social media. If you're not posting daily, you're invisible to the digital world. Your personal brand is what brings people to the dealership specifically to see you. Post success stories, post tips, show your personality, build trust online so that when they walk in, they already feel like they know you. In 2026, your phone is your most powerful sales tool. Mistake number 15, failing to create urgency. "Let me think about it" is the death of a deal. It means you didn't give them a reason to act now. Urgency isn't about pressure, it's about reality. Help them see the cost of waiting. Is it a limited time incentive? A rare color on the lot? Give them a logical reason why today is the best day to say yes. Don't let them walk without a why now. Mistake number 16, and I see this one a lot, believe it or not asking for the sale. This is the most common reason deals fail. You do all the work, you give the perfect presentation, and then you just wait. You have to ask. Close with confidence. If you've done your job and provided value, you have earned the right to ask for the business. "Would you like to take this home today?" It's that simple. Now, mistake number 17, and it's a tough one that forms in several areas in many different ways. Being afraid of rejection. Rejection is just part of the game. It's not about you, it's about the situation. If you take every no personally, you'll burn out in 6 months. Learn from the no and move on to the next yes. The best reps have the shortest memories for failure and the longest memories for the lessons they learned from it. Keep swinging. Mistake number 18, and there is no quicker way to piss a customer off, lose an easy sale, and get a bad CSI survey than this mistake. Neglecting follow-through. The relationship doesn't end when the ink is dry. That's actually when it begins. If you drop the ball after the sale, you lose the referral engine. Call them in 3 days. Call them in 3 months. A happy customer who feels cared for after the sale will be your best salesperson. Referrals are the easiest deals you'll ever get. Mistake number 19, overpromising and underdelivering. Don't promise the moon just to get the signature. When you fail to deliver, you destroy trust forever. Honesty is always the better policy. Be real about timelines, features, and pricing. It is always better to underpromise and then surprise them by over-delivering. That's how you build a reputation that lasts a career. Finally, mistake number 20, and this is the first one you must master and overcome to be successful in sales. Lacking confidence. If you don't believe in yourself, why should the customer believe in you? Your energy and your certainty are what settle the customer's anxiety. Confidence comes from knowledge and practice. If you don't feel it yet, act like the professional you are becoming until the results catch up. Confidence is what closes the gap between maybe and sold. Avoid these 20 mistakes and you're already ahead of most of the floor, but knowing them isn't enough. You have to apply them every single day with every single customer. That is where the power is, not in the knowledge, but in the application of the knowledge. So remember, car sales is a marathon. It's about building a business within a business. Master the basics, build your relationships, and never stop learning from the trenches. You have the tools, you have the drive, and now you have the strategy. Don't let these rookie mistakes hold you back from the career you deserve. I'm Daniel Willis, and I'm here to help you win. Now get out there on the floor and make it happen. I'll see you at the top.